Hi students, Professor Laney here again. I'm here to introduce you to Chapter 1 module. Again, you can navigate through the module page and go ahead and click that little button to see what's going on here. Our introduction includes a introduction for me, and that's the unit introduction, but let's go through Chapter 1 introduction, shall we? This is the starting point of the entire course, and it's a good place to start because we need to really think about what we think about when it comes to people who are disabled. But here's the secret. Spoiler alert. We are all special needs. Now, I don't want to say like, oh, we're all special and yes and no. Yes and no. Everybody's got something different about them. So instead of using the word normal or different. Sometimes you're going to hear me say the word neurodiverse. That means what is normal and who's different than normal. We're all normal and we're all different from normal. So let's look at that. Do you have sensory issues? Do I have sensory issues? Am I an introvert who dislikes loud noises? Well, does that make me special needs? Not exactly. But if I'm really introverted and I don't have a really good form of language and loud noises really bother me and I can't be around a lot of people and I can't concentrate when I'm trying to learn, yeah, that may be something that needs to be examined or needs to be brought up with, the education team or the parents or a doctor, things like that. So again, if there's a deficit or a challenge that affects the school learning, it's not a deficit that affects home. It's a deficit that affects school. Then we really need to look at that unique challenge. So how we think about others, we should include ourselves in there. How we think about people who have different abilities, less than abilities, better abilities, it really makes a difference. So here you're going to read the chapter, watch the video, post a thread in the discussion board by Wednesday, finish that up by Friday by responding to a minimum of 2 classmates. The personal learning journal is also due by Sunday, and the Chapter 1 quiz is due by Sunday. Everything is due at 8 p.m., keeps it nice and simple. So again, this is Chapter 1, a great place to start. And when you're ready, just go ahead and click through and start the lecture. All right? I look forward to seeing you in the virtual classroom.